Hi, my name is Sanika and today I'll be reviewing the Dot & Key Skincare 5% AHA Toner Skin Clarifying Liquid Exfoliant. This is an exfoliating toner and it helps remove dead skin cells and excess oils. It helps even out skin tone and also visibly reduces lines and wrinkles to reveal smooth glowing skin. Alright guys, so now that you have seen me use the toner, I wanted to drop by and talk to you guys about a few things that I believe are super important. The first thing is that when you use an AHA based product, it's super essential that you guys moisturize after you apply it. So what happened when I used this product the first time is I forgot to moisturize and I just directly applied sunscreen and went out. But that made my skin super dry. So what I recommend you guys is that you apply this and immediately apply your moisturizer and also go ahead with your sunscreen after that. I recommend you guys to use a moisturizer which has hyaluronic acid in it, as it's a super moisturizing and hydrating ingredient, so I highly recommend it. Another thing I wanted to tell you guys is that as you saw, I applied this with a cotton. The reason for that is that when you spray it, it can go into your eyes, and it's written on the bottle that this is not supposed to go in your eyes, and even if it does, you're supposed to rinse your eyes thoroughly. So I recommend you guys to begin with, just like apply it with a cotton, and maybe once you're used to it, you can start spraying it onto your skin. To conclude, I really like this toner. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this review helped you.